Hello, my name is Lorene Shevchik, and I have my own business called Heart Flow Energy, and I am an emotion code, body code practitioner, and intuitive coach. And I just finished presenting at the SBVE for April 2023. And I will tell you, it is an amazing experience. The interaction with everybody that's the attendees is fabulous. From the little emojis while you're speaking to the chat to the question area. I love that you're able to do networking in the platform. Um, I love the experience of you go into like a little green room before, like a backstage area before you present. So all you have to do is show up at your time. There's actually, it lets you know that you need to go to the green room at that time. And it has just been a great experience. This one has really been just up level as far as just all the speakers have been top notch, and the attendees have been asking some amazing questions. And that's what you want. If you're going to put yourself out there to speak at a venue, you want people really interested in interacting with you about what you do. So I found this one to be just exhilarating, just an experience that I'm so happy that I was part of. And if you're thinking at all to be part of the fall SBVE, I would highly recommend it. Sign up. If you've never done anything like this before, just give it a go, because we all have something to share and our lights need to be seen in this world. So good luck and God bless.